All right, so we finally made it. We're at Nambucca Head, and this is where we're going to be doing the course. Now look at this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set up a tripod in the mornings and at night, and I'm going to put really beautiful music out here with the waves, so no matter where you are, you can enjoy what I'm enjoying, okay? All right, so we are up in Coffs Harbour. Okay, that's the town the area, and it's Nambucca Head, where we're going to go do our grocery shopping right now to get our groceries, okay? So I'm going to do as much video and show you around and show you the beauty of this world. I mean, you know, it's your world, okay? And understand something, all right? You got to change your world by changing your beliefs, and my belief is that I want to see the whole world, and I want to have the greatest dreams and desires come true, and I'm going to mind my own business, and no government agency, nobody's going to tell me how to live and what to do. You need to understand that, and I truly mean that, okay? They're full of BS, and you know, that other BS, and the reality is that if you want your life, you're going to have to learn how to stand in your power, and guess what? That's right. Okay? All right? What's your dream? What's your passion? Okay? Go for it. Okay? All right? Look at this beautiful beach. I'm going swimming tomorrow. I'll tell you that much. All right? Come on, I'll take you a look here. I got to go under the fence. All right? Okay? 1 second. Oh! Yeah, you listen. I dream about this stuff. You know, you can take your 5-star. Okay, I'll take this any day. So my cottage is number 4. How do you like it? Okay, this is where we're going to be teaching the course here in Australia. I mean, this is just totally worth it. Come on. Seriously? Who are we kidding here? All right? All right? This is the life, okay? Give me a little cottage, okay? Give me this beauty. Don't give me the city. Don't give me anything but this, okay? This is all I want, okay? This is what life's all about. Fresh air. Beautiful people, okay? Lots of room to breathe, okay? All right. There's Lori. Okay, it's getting a little fuzzy here. Oh, there we go. There's Lori, and there's Tora, and here's her husband, Kevin, okay? Hey, Tora.
Hey, Daryl.
Want to say hello to everybody?
I would love to. Hey,
All
everybody.
right.
How
Okay.
exciting.
It happened.
We did it.
We're here. We've been talking about this for how long? How many years? 3? Maybe?
Yeah, I think at least. Yep.
3 years.
Yep.
3 years. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
And then there was a hiccup in the road. Okay. Mm-hmm. Somebody sneezed. Okay. All right.
I think they're still sneezing, but somewhere else.
Yeah. No, now they've got gas. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So here we go. So yeah, this is amazing. Okay. This is just absolutely amazing. You did great job, Tora. Great job. Okay. We're going to have lots of fun. We're going to show people the beauty of this place, all right? All right. And there's her husband, okay? All right. We almost went off a cliff, okay? Well, almost.
Later.
Yeah. Hey, honey, what do you think? We're going to lap this up, aren't we? Okay? All right. Have a good night, everyone, okay? All right?